Prohodna is a karst cave in north-central Bulgaria located in the Iskar Gorge near the village of Karlukovo.
Hey guys, welcome back into my channel. Today I'm taking you to a very special place, and I always wanted to visit this place but never got the chance. It's located about 120 kilometers away from Sofia, and it's called the Eyes of God. The Eyes of God is located in the Prohodna Cave, and it's very interesting because when you look up inside the cave, you can see holes that resemble the shape of two eyes. That's where the name comes from. So if you're interested to see this natural wonder, which is 68 million years old, keep watching. Wow. Ох, прилепче. Прилепче ли това? Мале. There is a small baby bat. Oh my god. It's very cold here. So, if you're standing here right under these eyes, what kind of a message would you like to send to the universe?
Love will win. Love will always win. Now I have to go down. Не знам как ще стане това.
Как си се качила? Как си се качила? Полек? Абе няма да паднеш, бе. Не си хуй обувките. По гъс си пусни. Няма да паднеш, бранче. Той има камъни по тях.
Има, ама обувките ми са без грайфери. Тук има лед. This spot would be perfect for meditation. So, if you put a small stone on top of these piles of stones, your wishes are going to come true. What about here? Okay. The eyes of God are so majestic, and when I was standing there, the first message that popped into my mind was love will win, because in times of prevailing darkness, we need more love to transform the darkness into light. Positive thinking can work miracles. That's why I wanted to say something in response to the recent world events and then listen to the message echoing in the cave. Yeah, you can see the lights from here. This is the end of the cave, Prohodna Cave. But I see that there are different trails around the cave. But since it's very slippery, we are not going to go there. Actually, the cave is really small. You can look around maybe in 15-20 minutes, and if you're taking pictures or videos, it will take a little bit longer. But that's all actually. But it's really worth to see. I've been dreaming I've come to this place, and I'm very happy that a former colleague of mine suggested to bring me here. There is a trail that starts from the cave and leads to the National Cave House, which is a hotel. And if you want to spend the night in the region, this place offers accommodation. As you will see in a moment, the building is old and didn't have a renovation in many years, but the view next to the building is really worth it, and it's overlooking the river Iskar and the village of Karlukovo. The area is suitable for rock climbing and bungee jumping. Another interesting place to visit is the Saint Marina Rock Monastery in Karlukovo. We didn't go because it was quite slippery and the way to the monastery is very steep.